Okay, so this game is Sum Swamp, and it's very cool. All you do is roll the dice, and then you make a sum. So 3 minus 1 is 2, obviously, and then you start, and that's how many you move. And it's got like a little thing like evens is you can roll 2 dice again, you land on odds, you roll 1 dice again. If you land on a number, you just roll this dice, and it shows you pluses you move 1 space, minus you move back. So it's very fun. I play with my really little child and who can't do addition, and we just use these 2 dice, and it's like whatever number's bigger, that's how many you move. So like what's bigger, 5 or 1, and then you move. So that is, I definitely recommend it. It's just a fun game, Sum Swamp, and super easy to play. So this game is IC10. I wouldn't necessarily buy it again. It's a ton of prep work because it's got like, I don't know, 100 of these things that you gotta flip over. And then when you're playing, you just take 2, and then another person flips over 1, and you gotta add till 10. It's just, I mean, you could do it with cue cards if you want, or you could do it, you know, war, I think it is, with a deck of cards. So I honestly would skip, IC10. Now, this is a part of a collection of, I want to say 6 math games. 6 math games that you get, and this one is pretty cool. So you have little tokens. Let's go in the box and we'll get 2 little tokens out. And you put them on the start, and then all you do is spin this, and it's like, okay, you're on 10, so 10 plus 1 is 11, so then you move over there. So it's kind of cool, and it's a step up from just adding tinier numbers, adding smaller numbers. Now this one on the other side, so it just has variations of that, is 1 to 100. It's a track game, and you flip the spinner over, and then you start on 1 is +8, +2, plus that. So that's kind of cool. And what I love about these games, so here's another game it has, and it has one on the back. Let me show you what's cool about these games is the directions are right here. Roll the dice. If you land on an arrow, complete the sum. The first to the finish wins. So these math games get progressively harder as they advance. Because look over here, you're starting up here, and again, roll the die. Round up to the nearest 10. So it's just a very interesting way to do that. And then finally, I'm in the kitchen, so if you saw my knife there, I was cutting apples. So, and then finally it has dominoes, which, to be quite honest, I don't exactly get how to play with the dominoes. So if I were to only choose one math game, I would definitely say the Sum Swamp from Learning Resources. I just think it's a really fun game. But this one, I love, and it's fun to play. And it's an interesting thing I've never really heard about. Anyway, the Numbies. I like that one. And even the other one on the other side, simple to play. So those are 2 of my favorite math games. Can you say, please like and subscribe?
Please like to like.
And hit the bell for notifications.
Hit the bell for notifications.